Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's super important if you want your home to look its best. I'm sharing the first half of the 25 common home decor mistakes that could be making your space look, well, a bit cheap. Don't hate me for pointing these out, I'm here to help. Alright, let's get started. Number 1, avoid the dreaded matching furniture sets. It might be tempting, but it can make your space feel like a showroom instead of a cozy home. Mix and match pieces for a more curated look. Number 2, steer clear of overly themed rooms. Sure, you love the beach, but plastering your living room with seashells screams tourist trap. Subtle nods to your favorite theme are much more stylish. Number 3, don't neglect lighting. Relying on a single overhead light can make a room feel flat and uninviting. Layered lighting will make your space feel warm and welcoming. Number 4, beware of floating rugs. Your rug should anchor your furniture. Make sure at least the front legs of your furniture are on the rug for a cohesive look. Number 5, don't push all your furniture against the walls. It can make your room feel cold and disconnected. Create cozy conversation areas by floating furniture away from the walls. Number 6, avoid hanging art too high. The center of your artwork should be at eye level, around 57 to 60 inches from the floor. Number 7, don't overdo it with small decor items. Clutter can make your home feel cramped and chaotic. Opt for fewer, larger statement pieces instead. Alright, those are the first 7 mistakes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for part 2, where I'll reveal more common decor pitfalls. Thanks for watching and happy decorating. See you next time.